Hello everyone, my name is Bunny. Today I am not using projector, I am using iPad for presentation. This will also help you to remember new words and more easily and confidently when you presentation at school. So today I learn new vocab by this subject, past our car interior and past our car. So I'm gonna read these new words. Steering wheel is circle steering wheel. We're using gear lever gear shift for UK, gear stick for US, and handbrake emergency for UK, brake for US. It's clutch is clutch, and this is brake. When you want to stop a car, you're using brake. This here is accelerator for UK, gas pedal for US. And this is a ignition key. This is speedometer. And this is a seat belt. When you get in car or airplane, you have to seat belt. Next is pass our car. We're using windscreen for UK, windshield for US, and this is a windscreen wiper. Here is bonnet for UK, hood for US. What is this? This is a headlight. And this is a number plate for UK, license plate for US. Here is bumper. And this is a indicator for UK, turn signal for US. And what is this? This wheel. And this is a mirror. Next you can see a black. Yes. This is tire for UK, tire for US. It's outside wheel. Outside wheel. Bolt for UK. Trunk for US is here. INTERIO for UK, antenna for US. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!